In this video, I will show you how to redeem code on Temu. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to redeem a code on Temu, whether that's a coupon code or a gift code, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Temu and log into your account. Once you've logged in, come up and hover over your name to bring up this menu. And on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option for coupon codes. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, what you can do is enter your coupon code or gift code into the box here. And if it's a valid code, when you click apply, that's going to apply your code. Of course, this is just an example code, so this one's not going to work, but that is how to redeem code on Temu. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.